Hello and welcome to my son different. Hello and welcome to my son different. So we're here today. It's Easter and I'm gonna do a mukbang. So I have these peeps. I have some apple juice. I have a sour apple volley. I have a sour apple watermelon boba fruit cup. I have some pineapple and chili powder candies, and I have this basket that I will be opening. It's just a gift basket with different foods in it. Today it's a nice day. It's fair weather. It's really beautiful out. And I didn't really have plans, but luckily I have you guys. These are good to share these wonderful holidays with. This is so good. They're so soft and fluffy. And these little eyes are chocolate. When Easter comes around, my favorite candy is always the marshmallow stuff. These pineapple candies with chili in them. They have a lot of pineapple flavor. They taste just like Mexican candy. They're delicious. I guess I should try this cup of fruit. Here it is right here. It's got like a liquid consistency. Let's try it. The fruit juice tastes so good. It tastes like you know what it tastes like? It tastes like punch. Here's a little boba right here. It just popped in my mouth. It's like literally like a bubble. It's like a grape. But like a water bubble. And the fruit's very delicious. So it's really fresh. It's very refreshing. It's like I can taste all the sugar. It's not too sour, and for me, I think it's like just the amount of sweetness, just the right amount of sweetness. I always worry about my teeth like after I eat candy. Let's open the basket. So the basket has this cute little bow, and it's made of linen. It's so pretty. So let's try it one at a time. So the first thing is olives. It says bistro style whole mixed olives. So we'll try that first. I think they're not pitted, so you might find a pit or two on my plate. So here's the black one, and these are the green ones. They're very good. What is this? Chocolates? There's so many chocolates. Here's something. These are mixed nuts and it says hot honey crunch. Sweet flavor with a kick. So here they are. And they're like little crunchies. Pecans, peanuts. They taste just like, you know, like Planters. These are really big. These are good. They taste like they almost taste like an egg roll. I'm starting to kick. This is tea. Oh, it's flavored tea. I should have made this. Cookies. And last but not least, cracker bread. It says cracker bread on it. Cracker bread rounds. So, go try the cheese. This is actually not crackers, this is cheese. And some crackers. Here it is. And it smells good. There's like little spices or something in there. So I'll just get a little bit on my plate so I can spread it on the crackers. And here's the crackers. And this is what they look like. They're like mini tortillas. The cheese has like this smoky flavor and it's real soft. It's almost like pure cream, but it's cheese. And the cracker, it's like real basic cracker, and it's nice and toasted, and I like it a lot. Some crunchies on it. Next is shortbread cookies, I believe. This is a 100-year recipe. They are caramel sea salt cookies. This is what they look like. Super fresh cookies. They're real shortbread cookies, like. They're just traditional shortbread cookies. So these say fudge, vanilla with sea salt. See what these look like. It's giving a bit of caramel, but it's like it's got so much sea salt flavor in there, like, but you can't really taste it. But like the sea salt kind of balances the whole candy, because it's like just like a basic ingredient here. See, we have some lint next. Just creamy inside. The outside milky. That chocolate was just so milky. Now this one is Bellevue Fancy Cocoa Dusted Ruffles. So these are cocoa dusted fancy ones. I can see that cocoa on the top. Ooh, this one just melts. They're so good. The next one, another truffle, and one of my favorite brands, one of my favorite chocolate brands, Godiva. Clean my palette. So these are shaped like a rose, like a flower. The stamp on it. It just looks like a basic chocolate that you get in the box. The inside's real sticky, thick inside. It's like pure candy. You know, when I want something sweet, I want it to hit me the right way. No pun intended. So this is cute. This is sticky toffee, caramel smothered in milk and dark chocolate. And these two, look at this. Mmm. Sticky toffee in the middle. Mmm. The flavor is delicious. Kind of salty. The toffee. The combination is just like, it's really good. These are so good. Happy Easter. Thank you guys for joining me. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Bye.